Hello. Today we will be going over how to easily set up a testing session in NWEA. To begin, we'll go to nwea.org. And then we'll go to Login, Map Growth. From here, you'll enter your username, which is your HPS email address, and your password. Then click Login. Once logged in, on the left-hand menu, you'll go to Manage Test Sessions. Here you'll have two options. You can find individual students to test, or you can just test your class. The easiest route is Test My Class. Click that button and it will load up all of your classes rostered in NWEA. Select the class or classes if you're going to test multiple classes at the same time that you'd like to test, and click Test Now. This will quickly load in all the students, assign it a session name and a session password. However, an actual test has not been assigned yet. So we will go to Select Status and choose All Students. Then we will select Assign Test. From here, you'll assign either the Growth Math 6+ or the Growth Reading 6+, depending on which assessment you're going to use. We'll choose Math and click Assign. And now all 31 of our students have been assigned the Growth Math 6+ assessment. From here, students can log in using the session name or password, or if you're setting up a session for future use, once you have all the tests assigned, you can select End Session. You can keep the existing session name or rename it for easier access. So I can put Mr. E. Math. Then click Save and Exit. Now in the future, when you're ready to actually test your students, you can come back to Manage Test Sessions, and under the Saved Testing Sessions, you'll find the session you created. Just make sure that is selected and click Test Now. It will have a new session name, which is what we saved it. And every time we end a test session and reopen it, a new password will be created. You'll give this information to your students. They can log in. And once they're logged in, you'll see them under To Be Confirmed. And then you can click the blue Confirm button and their test will begin. Once the test session is over with, you can just simply click End Session. If any students are still testing, when you end the session, and we just click Save and Exit, it will automatically suspend all of their tests. And then you can log back in at a later date to have them finish. It will pick up exactly where they left off.